Hello everyone. Today we are going to deal with introduction to personality development. Today we are trying to understand the meaning of personality development and how personality works. What is the importance of personality development? So, personality development is the most important and basic topic in educational as well as organizational level. It is also important in life cycle of every human being because personality development occurs since from birth till the death of a person. So, you might be thinking why personality is so important. Why do we need to study personality development, right? So, personality development is important because it defines a person. It helps to build self confidence and it enhances a person's behavior and characteristics. So, to understand personality development well, we have to understand what personality is. It is the sum total of ways in which an individual reacts and interacts with others. So, do you think personality means famous people, celebrities, or rich people? No. Each and every person has a unique and or different personality. So, every person is unique, every person is different. So, personality is the sum total of ways in which an individual reacts and interacts with others. How a person reacts in different kinds of situations and how a person interacts with or others, how a person behaves with others in the society is defined as personality. So, your personality is identified on the basis of your behavior or your characters. So, definition of personality. Personality is a relatively stable set of characters that influences an individual's behavior. So, personality is a set of characters of an individual. So, by combining the set of different characters at a particular situation, a person behaves. So, on the basis of behavior, a person's personality is identified. So, first and also to understand personality development, we have to understand the meaning of development. So, what is development? What do you think about development? So, development means growth or improvement, not only physical growth but intellectual, psychological, emotional, etc. So, growth of physical growth, mental growth, intellectual growth, psychological growth, and all. So, what is personality development? So, personality development is an integrated or interconnected organization of physical, emotional, intellectual, social, psychological, and spiritual characteristics of an individual. So, personality development is interconnected combination of all these traits or all these factors. Which factors? Physical factors, emotional factors, intellectual factors, social factors, psychological factors, and spiritual or devotional factors. What means physical factors? Physical factor means your height, your weight, the face, the color of your skin, etc. Emotional factors means what is emotion? So, emotional factors are the emotional behaviors, how you laugh, how you cry, when you cry, etc. Intellectual factors, how well you are, how well you present yourself, how intelligent you are, etc. How you think and all. Social factors, how you interact or how you communicate with other person. Psychological, your mental health, your mind power. Spiritual, how you are spiritually. So development is a never ending process. It keeps on occurring from the birth of a person till death. So development is an ongoing continuous process. It never ends till your death. So from birth till death, you keep on developing or growing your personality, enhancing, improving your personality. So to develop your personality, you need to read good books, see good movies, interact with wise people, interact in a wise way. So in previous session, I had asked you to find out answer to few questions in order to understand yourself deeply. Have you done that? I hope many of you have not done that. Kindly don't ignore those questions. Try to find out answers to those questions because it helps you to understand yourself more and it helps you to improve yourself more. It helps in building your personality. By identifying your strengths and weaknesses, you can reduce your strengths and you can reduce your weaknesses and improve your strengths. So kindly pay attention to those questions. Try to answer those questions. No need to tell those answers to me. You just find out yourself so that you can understand yourself and you improve your personality in a better way. So we will try to find out fun ways to learn this subject to make personality development a more interesting subject. So for today's session, I want to ask you a question. So what qualities should we have if we want to make others laugh? So if you wish to make others laugh, what qualities should you possess? Try to find answer to this question. See you in next session. Thank you for bearing with me. Thank you.